Yeah, hello, hi everyone. Mystery of mineral water bottles manufacturing. So the way I was like interacted with the few of the companies in the market in like Chennai and Coimbatore and as well as like Mumbai and Noida, some other companies. I was really the way we approaches for the Dharmanandan company. It will be very very good for me. Once they are also came to the our company like few months back. So they are sticky it on the payment matters and each and everything they will be like very good. So once I was passing the Dharmanandan company, they people are treating me like as like a their families. It will be like truly honor for me. So the prices wise and each and everything, it will be like very good. So who are entering into the really, who are becoming into the really entrepreneurs, I will strongly recommend you to 5 years recently from Dharmanandan Technologies. So it will be like they how they are like giving their best, like service wise and so whoever will be facing the issues and their end. So they are like strongly they people will come and they people will support you and whatever they will give you the best, they will give the best. So in Dharmanandan company, it will be like very special because of from MD to watchmen. I cannot like give them like a watchman. So whoever the customers will be come to the entering into the Dharmanandan family, they are treating like they are like an own family. They are like accumulate like a whole family. I was like really shocked and not only shocked, I was also like surprised. And I would like to recommend to whoever enter into the water pack business. So not only water pack in soda cans as well as glass bottles we did, they will be giving the missionaries like a very best and they are giving like a very reasonable prices. They are like truly manufacturing with their own effects. So I was see the inbuilt qualities. It will be like compared to the other missionaries. I am not like judging the other companies. Their inbuilt quality, it will be like very good. So it will comes and it will be guaranteed for the missionary wise. So once I was seeing the missionary, it will be like designs on each and everything, whatever we require, whatever it will be required in the market, they are giving their best. I totally impressed by their cooperation and truly inspired for their doing the manufacturing. So from the kind of packet, a small pack, like so it's a not a packet, it's a kind of little bit of screw too. It's kind of a huge study. They are like manufacturing their own effects. So that someone will tell you like it will become assembling and they are giving there, but it will be not coming like that. They are only truly manufacture their effects, and I was directly see the manufacturing. It was really grateful. Thanks to provide this opportunity for me, and thank you, Dharmanandan. Once I was getting a approach from the Dharmanandan company, it was even in the initial days, we are also like thinking so this company will be like this company will be like this, everyone will be think. So once I can be adapted them, they people also like adapted by like both the family, wise the price wise and the service wise and each and everything, they will be treating like they are like selling the mystery. So they are not living like a it will be like kind of business and not that will be a kind of business. Once they will be giving the mystery, they will be treating like their own plan. They have extended into our factories. So I will thankful to the MD sir for the Dharmanandan Technologies, and also I will be thank you for Alpesi. He is the doing the very best for me. So and thank you each and everyone who will be like supporting me from the Dharmanandan, and thank you.